word of French origin which means beginning. Indeed, there is a good reason they call ceremonies or commencement exercises. Graduation is not just the end, it is the beginning.
To formally start with today's 11th Junior High School Completion Ceremony and 9th Senior High School Commencement Exercises,
may I request everyone to please rise as we commence our processional march. Proceed to the distribution of diploma and certificate of completion.
graduates and completers, where your name is called, please make your way to the stage.
Let's start with the Alternative Learning System Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Track Home Economics Strand. Fuentes Alexandra Joy Pineda. Fuentes Alexis Joyce Pineda. The award, the 100% passing rate of Kibia High School National Certificate from the bread and pastry production.
Fuentes Alexandra Joy Pineda. Fuentes Alexis Joyce Pineda.
Let's proceed to the awardee from the TVL Home Economics Strand. Fuentes Alexandra Joy Pineda. An awardee for outstanding performance in technical vocational education in work immersion, and also a recipient of Special Recognition Award as folk dancer and drum and lyre corps member. Her medal will be imposed to her by her father, Robert M. Fuentes. Fuentes Alexis Joyce Pineda. An awardee for outstanding performance in technical vocational education and also in work immersion, and a recipient of Special Recognition Award as folk dancer and a drum and lyre corps member. Her medal will be imposed to her by her guardian, Maribel Fuentes.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand and join our graduates and completers in singing the Kibia High School hymn. conclude the 11th Junior High School completion ceremony and my Senior High School commencement exercises. God bless and thank you for coming. Ang batang may pangarap,
Kibia High School ang tatak.
together with your so proud,
Ano, pero?
Our sound system sound like Kinatawan City.
Wow!
Kinatawan City. Geek Sound Time. For bookings, you may contact them. The cell number and class on screen.
Picture, picture.
For bookings, you may contact them. And the cell number and class on screen.
Okay, throw the ano cup. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hinaya lang ha. 1, 2, 3. Bah.